In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Planner and getting into the task you want to work with. Open your browser and go to planner.cloud.microsoft/webwe. If Planner opens on a home page, look to the left navigation and click My Plans. From there, click your basic plan. In my case, this plan is called Operations Routine. So select whichever plan holds the task you want to set up. Now look inside the To-Do bucket and click your task card. Mine is called Review Weekly Support Queue, so just click the card that matches your own task. Once you do that, confirm that the Task Details pane opens along the right side of the screen. This is where you'll make all your changes. Next, let's set the first task schedule. In the Task Details pane, click Start Date. When the calendar picker appears, click today's date. After that, click Due Date. In the calendar picker, click a date 1 week from today. Take a moment to confirm that the task now has both a start date and a due date filled in correctly. Now let's turn this into a recurring task. In the same Task Details pane, find the Repeat field, which may currently say, Does not repeat. Click on it to open the menu. From the Repeat menu that appears, select Weekly. Once you've chosen that, confirm the Repeat field now displays Weekly, which means the schedule is in place. When everything looks right, click the X in the top right corner of the Details pane to return to the board. The task now has a weekly repeat schedule in Planner. The board still shows the current task occurrence, and Planner will automatically create the next scheduled occurrence after the current one is marked complete. This keeps your routine work flowing without you having to recreate the task each week. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a recurring task in Microsoft Planner with a start date, a due date, and a weekly repeat cycle. From now on, Planner handles the scheduling for you, generating each new occurrence as soon as you finish the one before it, so your recurring responsibilities stay organized and on track every single week.